Welcome back, and in our top business story, the Organisation of Petroleum Exporting Countries has kept estimates for global oil demand growth in 2014 unchanged and said world oil consumption will increase by 1 million barrels a day, or 1.2% next year, to about 90.8 million a day. OPEC's estimates came amid stable global growth expectations, which it says now stands at 2.9% for 2013 and 3.5% for 2014. OECD economies are forecast to rebound from low growth of 1.1% this year to 1.8% in 2014. Vienna-based OPEC stated in its monthly market report that increasing output from countries outside OPEC means demand for the organization's crude will slide to 29.7 million barrels a day, or about 600,000 a day less than its 12 members pumped last month. OPEC agreed to tighten compliance with its official production target of 30 million barrels a day at its last meeting in May. The report shows that the value of the OPEC reference basket rose in July for the second straight month to levels seen in the first quarter, with the highest month-on-month gain since February. Expansion in the value of Brent-related North African crudes, as well as Middle Eastern crudes, lent strong support to the ORB over the month. The group will next meet on December the 4th. Dubai International Airport shifted the fifth largest amount of cargo in the world in June, as the Middle Eastern air cargo market continued to power ahead in the face of a global slump. According to figures released by the trade body of Airports Council International, 202,080 tonnes of cargo passed through Dubai's main airport in June, an increase of 3.6% on the same month last year. At Abu Dhabi International Airport, cargo levels soared by 30.3%, the highest increase in the world for the period, to 62,070 tonnes, pushing the airport to number 26 on the list. Doha International Airport also reported significant growth. The airport, which is due to be replaced by the delayed Hamad International Airport, came 24th on the ACI list of the top cargo airports, with 73,660 tonnes passing through its doors, a 9.71% increase on June 2012. The positive Middle Eastern growth figures come in the face of lackluster worldwide cargo growth figures. On average, cargo levels at the world's top 50 cargo airports fell by 1.1% for June, compared with June 2012. Emirates Airline and Al Marai both feature on the list of the 10 most recognisable brands among UAE consumers for the first half of the year. That's according to a survey of consumers. YouGov questioned 2,000 nationally representative respondents daily about whether they had heard anything about a brand in the last 2 weeks, positive or negative. Google claimed the top spot with an overall score of 61.4 points, leaping from 6th to 1st place from a previous index. Samsung, a new entrant, was second with 60.2 points, partly helped by the fact that they had launched some of their most competitive smartphones in the last year, according to YouGov. Emirates Airline was third with 59.1 points, dropping 3 positions, while Al Marai followed in 4th place with 49.1 points. They were the only 2 regional-based brands to make the list. Dettol, Galaxy, Dove, Nestle, Carrefour, which has locations across the UAE through a franchise deal with Majid Al Futtaim, and Apple's iPhone made up the rest of the top 10 brands. 2 local brands and 1 regional brand made the most improved list. Emirates NBD in 5th place with 11.4 points, Nikhil in 6th with 11 points, and Al Marai in 9th place with 10.4 points. Middle East sales of counterfeit and grey market mobile phones are set to decline once again this year to 38.2 million units. According to reports in a local daily, the region is the world's second largest grey handset market, behind the Asia Pacific. That's according to research firm IHS. Worldwide shipments are set to drop by 12% this year to 194.6 million units. According to retailers, the local grey market thrives when there is a shortage in supply, delayed product launches, or a large disparity between the price of a device in the UAE and the overseas markets. Delayed launches for Apple products especially pushed prices up to double or triple the recommended retail price on the grey market in the UAE. Now that manufacturers are increasingly giving precedence to the region, customers no longer need to wait months before handsets arrive here, helping to minimise grey market demand. A fall in demand for lower-end feature mobile phones is also driving down the grey market, which IHS believes will fall further next year to 173.8 million units worldwide.